Oops, watch out, Nick.
From Nikki! It smells good.
There.
Wait, come in. Look at all these seeds.
Dump 'em.
Probably there's 124 in here. Or 100.
Probably more than that.
About 1,000 million. Not the last number ever made. Yeah, the last number ever made. Numbers don't stop. Yeah, the last number as the God made. Pew, you.
What a face. That looks like a jack-o'-lantern sitting on the counter there.
Hi. To you.
There's another jack-o'-lantern right there. She's a bigger jack-o'-lantern than Amanda. And here's a puppy eating a pumpkin seed. You're going to grow into a pumpkin. Get it away from her. Will it hurt her, you think? Here. Spit that out.
I don't. You know what? I don't.
Nikki. Let go of that.
Going into a pumpkin.
Gosh. Get the pumpkin seed away from the pup.
Okay, I'll get it. Go.
Okay. Now go wash your hands, man. I never try that in my life. Never, ever.
You don't like that, huh?
It's gross.
Gross. Mandy, you all wash your hands and you can help. Yuck. Ooey gooey.
Give me a big spoon.
That,
Right there in the corner. Yeah, right there where you at.
Okay.
Right in the corner.
Amanda.
No, over here. The one that matters.
Do you want to go this one?
No, over in the tray there. Big one there.
There, that's it.
Mommy, can I go over there?
What for?
Play doctor.
Well, you were going to help Daddy carve the pumpkin. Then you can go over to Allison's. After you and Daddy get the pumpkin done. He's taking time to help you with it. If they don't want to watch, they can go home and you can go over after a while, maybe. Did you hear me, Amanda?
A dog killer smell and different shoes. A second, baby, say almost say no. What's this, man? What's this? I want to say. Millie, me, I so do love you, that you so could love me. I want to show you something. Not too tight. Put it up here. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shake it, baby,
Okay,
shake
that's
it.
enough. Put her down. She just ate. Honey, she just ate.
Hello, everybody. How you doing? Hello, everybody. Welcome to the fall. There's Donatello. Where's Raphael? Raphael, Donatello. Raphael, Donatello. Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello. Ain't that good? Hold on. Thumbs up. Now, I'll send them some. Welcome to the Monty Carlo, Allison Joe, Jennifer Joe, and Danny Joe, and Amanda Joe, and Amanda Carlo. Welcome to our
Good
house.
thing he didn't hit me at that. I'd have been mad.
You go smell it. Hit her, Mike. Welcome with the pumpkin. Don't let Margie get hit by the pumpkin.